Welcome to your introduction to Onshape. For this first lesson, we are just going to focus on the interface on an iPad. So you know how to locate specific areas that you will need to use constantly. As a first step, what I need you to do is click on the public tab on the left, and we're going to do a search for a specific item, Onshape demo feature. Something that I've recreated. So you will see my name. There should only be one copy of this available. You're gonna access it. Now, you shouldn't be able to edit this, and that is fine because we're not really going to do anything to it. What you're looking at now is called the Part Studio. This is where you're going to make changes to your drawing. And there's 5 main components of this specific area. First is the graphics area, where you see the drawing of this part that I'm showing, that I am turning right now. Yes, you can zoom in and out. You can rotate. On an iPad, it's very easy to zoom in and just gotta pinch your fingers like you would on a regular screen. To rotate, just gotta swipe your finger left and right, up and down. And to pan, you would need 2 fingers on the screen, and you pan around whichever way you want. These are really useful tools, and I prefer them to having them on a screen on a PC or a desktop or laptop. Here on the left, we see the features list. These are the features that we've applied to the drawing, all the different tools that we've used, and you can hide them or show them by just clicking on that little eye. In the features menu, which I'm scrolling up and down right now, you will also see the planes. The original planes that this comes with are the top, front, and side, and right. And you can see them in there. I'm going to click them on. Now, below the features menu is the parts list. And the parts list is once you've created your part, you can isolate the different pieces of your product. In this case, I'm going to hide the top part, and then I'm going to hide the bottom part. And you can hide them and you can show them. And these are the 3 main planes that appear at the start of any document. At the bottom, you're going to see Part Studio on the left. If you click on that, you're going to get a menu. And to the right of that, you're going to have an assembly tab. We're going to explore that later. You can have as many Part Studios and assembly tabs as you want. Obviously, the more you have, the slower your document is going to work. Graphics area, we've already explored. And over here to the top right is what you call the view cube. Here on an iPad, you have to click on it and then click on the view that you want to see. On a desktop or a PC, you would actually just click on the cube itself, and it would align with, if you click on the front, it would show you the front view. Now you also have isometric views, shaded views, unshaded, shaded with the edges, all sorts of really cool different options that you have. Translucent, and I believe they have a VR view, an AR view, where you can actually place the object using the camera of your iPad, which is very, very cool. And again, those are the main tools that we're going to use throughout this tutorial. Thank you for